Oh, we're recording. Again,
On the air, people!
welcome back to the blog. I will be your teacher, Mr. Davis. We're going to determine if this series converges. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a ratio test. First thing we do, is this always positive? Is the sequence always positive? It starts n equals 0 to infinity. It is guaranteed to be positive. Very good, Jones. So what we're going to do, set up our limit. We have 3 to the n plus 1 over 5 to the n plus 1 plus 1. You know what I'm going to do right off the bat? Multiply by the reciprocal of the original sequence. 5 to the n plus 1 over 3 to the n. We're going to simplify this like we have done in previous problems. We're going to decompose exponents. Is it always positive? It is always positive. We don't need absolute value symbols. So, we have 3 times 3 to the n over 5 times 5 to the n plus 1 times 5 to the n plus 1 over 3 to the n. We cannot cancel our 5 to the n plus 1s because that's not written in factored form. That is written as a sum. We cannot cross-cancel through sums. But we can cancel through our 3 to the n's. What we're going to do is rewrite this now as the limit as n goes to infinity of 3 times the quantity 5 to the n plus 1 over 5 times 5 to the n plus 1. Now what I'm going to do is a slick trick. We'll go ahead and divide everything, both the numerator and denominator, by 5 to the n. And this trick can be applied when we cannot cancel through a sum or a difference. So I'm going to keep moving through this. Okay? Let's simplify. This is going to be the limit as n goes to infinity of 3 times, distributing this through, that's going to be 1 over 5 to the n. That is not a b. I'm sorry, that looks like a b. 1 over 5 to the n. Over 5 plus 1 over 5 to the n. Now what I can see is, if I was to apply my limit and take n towards infinity, this term here is going to 0. This term here is going to 0. So this is 3 times 1 plus 0 over 5 plus 0, which is just 3/5. Is this convergent? Why is this convergent? This is convergent as 3/5 is less than 1. And we're done.
Film? Okay.